Namaste students. Today we are dealing with the part 3 of chapter 1 class 11 biology. Today we are going to discuss about the taxonomical aids. We studied about the taxonomy, taxonomical hierarchy, different taxa in the previous class. Now today we are going to study about the aids. Aids, as we know, these are the help. Now what are the various aids or what are the various methods which help in the taxonomy? To start with, we start with the herbarium. First one is the herbarium. Now what is herbarium? It is actually a collection of dried specimens. It is first of all, it is for plants. Now plants, how to keep the plants? These are kept in a dried form. Like for example, a person get a new species or he finds a plant. What he will do? He will take a part of it, dried it. There are certain specific sheets and the methods to dry it, preserve it. Now what is the significance of drying? It actually keeps the plant in its original shape. So what is herbarium? Actually it is a collection of a dried specimen kept in sheets. As we have a library containing a number of books. So a herbarium has a number of sheets containing the representative members or any identified species. So if one wants to check, like if a person wants to check a plant, any kind of plant, he will go and find out that sheet and he will get the knowledge that how it looks like. So it is a collection, it is herbarium. There are standard sheets, standard protocol. On the sheet their name is written, the name of the collector, date, and all these things are mentioned on the sheets. So this is herbarium. Now second, it is the botanical garden. As the name indicates, it also contains plants, but here it was the dried form, and as the name indicates, garden. So these are the living form. What actually happens in the garden? In the garden, a number of variety of species are kept in the sense they are grown. One can find any species or any plant in its original form, in a living condition, we say. Kew in England is the largest botanical garden. It has a number of species, a wide variety. So what is a garden? A botanical garden where plants are kept, or we can say grown in their original shape and form. So it is a living condition, it is a dried form. This is for plants. Now we consider the third example, the third taxonomic aid, that is the museum. Now what happens in a museum? It is the place where the dead or we say the dead organisms are kept. Now how the dead? It is for animals. Now animals are kept there, they are dead, but they are maintained in their shape by stuffing and all. They are maintained in their original shape. So this is a museum. We know museum, ancient things are kept and all. So museum has actually the collection of dead animals, but in their original shape. They are maintained in their shape with the help of some stuff or any methods, but their shape is maintained. So this is museum. Now zoological park. Same is the case with your zoological park where animals are kept live. A number of variety, we commonly see zoo. What is zoo? A collection of animals. They live, they survive there, they move there. So one can study animals in their original nature. This is the zoological park. So these are the methods or the aids where a person can find. If he wants to know about the knowledge of any plant or animal, he can approach to any of the taxonomical aid. So this is how these aids help. Now next is the keys. Now what are the keys? Keys are the methods to identify. Like certain character is there. If the character, the answer, the question is like in the answer form yes or no. If it is yes, then move to point 2. If it is no, then move to point 4. Next, point 2, point 3, point 4. So how this keeps on branching and branching and branching, and ultimately we get to identify that what is this animal or a plant. These are the keys, dichotomous keys, that is it has a branching. We ask a question, we say a question, it has either yes or no. If yes, it will ask to move to another point, and if no, it will ask to move the another point. And following the similar pattern, we reach up to the last, and at last we came to know about the correct identification of that organism. So this is the purpose of keys. Now moving on to next, this is the flora. Now what is flora? Flora gives an account of all the plant or vegetation of a particular area. If we want to find out all the content or the types of vegetation of a particular area, we go for flora. So the word flora is for plants. Then manuals. Now what are the manuals? Actually these are the books, a kind of books which contain all the information about a particular area, the living species, the knowledge about the content or the knowledge about the living species at a particular place. This is manual. And monograph. Monograph actually describes only one taxon. The organisms of one taxon is described in a monograph. Each taxon has a different monograph. So these are the taxonomical aids. Actually these are the written descriptions. These are the practically we can see. These are the methods, taxonomical aids, to help to study the various organisms, species using the taxonomy. If a person is really interested, he can use these aids, any of these aids, and can know the correct identification of that particular organism or any plant or any. Thank you. So this completes with our chapter. Thank you.